Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how you can embed a YouTube channel feed into your Confluence page so your users can see the latest videos that your team has uploaded to the YouTube channel or a YouTube channel that you would like to see updates for. So let's crack on. So first of all, we need to navigate to a YouTube channel. We're going to click on the More, Share, and copy the channel ID. And then we're going to put this channel ID into this format. So let's do that now. I'm going to go to the Capable YouTube channel. I'm going to click on the More button here, click on Share Channel, and copy channel ID. And then if I jump back to my Confluence page, and I take this URL format, which we'll put in the description, and I just paste this in the end, that's now my YouTube channel RSS feed, which is going to give me all the latest videos that I've uploaded. So next, really simple, provided you have the Capable app installed, you type /RSS and press enter. And this is going to open up the RSS feed configurator. And what I can do is down here, I can click on RSS feeds and I can insert this URL that we just calculated. So now we can see some of our videos, our latest videos, and we can increase the number of videos we show here using this button. And we can either show this in a list format or in a table format if we want to show more of the videos we've created. So I'm going to choose the table format and click Save. And you can see it's really that simple. Now we have our RSS feed inside our page, and your staff can now see all the great videos your team's been uploading. I hope that's been helpful. Let us know if you need any help. Leave us some comments if you have any questions. Cheers.